You are probably watching this because you are tired. Not just didn't sleep well last night tired, but that bone-deep chronic fatigue that no amount of espresso can fix. You think you need more sleep. You think you need better supplements. You don't. You are suffering from something scientists call light starvation. And right now, your brain literally thinks you live in a cave. But fixing it doesn't require a radical lifestyle change. It requires exactly 10 minutes. And the solution is completely free. Welcome to the biological cheat code that modern society forgot. Today, we are going to break down why morning sunlight is the single most powerful biological switch you possess. We'll explore why the lights in your house are lying to your brain, how a 10-minute morning habit dictates exactly when you'll fall asleep 14 hours later, and how to end your chronic fatigue by the end of this week. If you implement the protocol I'm about to share, you will wake up before your alarm. Your afternoon brain fog will vanish, and your energy levels will stabilize in a way you haven't felt since you were a kid. But to understand how to fix it, you first need to understand how you broke it. Let's talk about the lux illusion. Lux is the unit we use to measure light intensity. Right now, you might be sitting in a bright office or a well-lit living room, thinking you are getting plenty of light. A standard indoor room is about 300 to 500 lux. Your brain looks at that and thinks, okay, it's twilight, time to conserve energy. But step outside on a totally overcast, cloudy day, that's 10,000 lux. Step outside on a clear, sunny morning, that's up to 100,000 lux. Indoor lighting is biologically dark. Your eyes contain specialized receptors called intrinsically photosensitive retinal ganglion cells, iPRGCs. These cells don't care about shapes or colors, they only care about light intensity. When they don't get hit by a massive wave of lux in the morning, they never send the wake-up signal to your brain's master clock, the suprachiasmatic nucleus. By stepping outside, you shatter the lux illusion, flooding your brain with the exact signal it needs to snap out of its sleep inertia. The cortisol awakening response. Cortisol gets a bad rap. You hear cortisol and you think stress. But without morning cortisol, you would feel like a zombie. Morning sunlight triggers a healthy, necessary spike in cortisol that clears out brain fog. When high-lux sunlight hits your eyes within the first 30 to 60 minutes of waking, it triggers a 50% increase in cortisol production. This is the car. It raises your body temperature, increases your blood pressure slightly, and activates your nervous system. This isn't stress. This is biological ignition. It replaces the need for that first cup of coffee and prevents that brutal 2 p.m. crash. If you delay sunlight, your cortisol curve flattens out, leaving you lethargic all day. Here is the biggest plot twist about morning sunlight. It is actually the secret to falling asleep instantly at night. Morning light starts a 14-hour biological timer for melatonin. When those light receptors in your eyes detect morning sun, they send a message to your pineal gland to completely shut off melatonin, the sleep hormone. But simultaneously, it sets a precise countdown clock. Exactly 12 to 14 hours after that light exposure, your brain will naturally begin to secrete melatonin again. If you get sunlight at 7 a.m., you will organically start feeling sleepy by 9 p.m. No more tossing and turning, no more staring at the ceiling. You are aligning your biology with the rotation of the Earth. So, how do we execute this perfectly? It's astonishingly simple. Step 1, within 30 to 60 minutes of waking up, go outside. Looking through a window does not count. Glass filters out the specific wavelengths of light you need and reduces the lux intensity by up to 50 times. Step 2. If it's a clear, sunny day, you need 5 to 10 minutes. If it's cloudy, you need 15 to 20 minutes. Step 3. Face the general direction of the sun, but do not stare directly into it. Never look at any light so bright that it hurts your eyes. Just let the light hit your face. Step 4. Do this without sunglasses. Regular contacts or prescription glasses are perfectly fine. If you do this for just 5 days, your chronic fatigue will start to evaporate. Your body will finally know what time it is. But fixing your morning light is only half the battle. If you are doing this right, but then destroying your melatonin with the wrong evening habits, you'll stay stuck in the exhaustion loop. Click the video on the screen right now where I break down the exact nighttime protocol to reverse engineer perfect deep sleep. Don't let your morning progress go to waste. Click here, and I'll see you there.